iPhone camera apps not available on your iPhone. Here is how to fix it. On your device, tap and hold for a few seconds until start jiggling like this. Tap on this three dot here and make sure that all the home screen is selected, and if anyone is not selected, make sure that it is selected. Tap on done and tap out and search for the camera again. Maybe it is here. Then tap on this side button and look for camera. Our camera is not displayed here. Then let's go and fix this. Maybe you've restricted your camera from displaying on your device. Here is how to fix it. Go to the settings on your iPhone and tap on it. Now scroll up again until you get to screen time. Tap on it. Now scroll up until you get to content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Now make sure that content and privacy restriction button is enabled. If it is toggle off on your own, make sure you toggle it on. Then tap on allow apps and feature button. Now from the list of apps here, you see that our camera is restricted. Tap on it to toggle it on. Then you need to provide your screen time passcode if you have passcode. So let me quickly enter my screen time passcode. Now that has been enabled here. Then let me go to the home screen. See that the camera apps are this on this device. That's the process, guys, on how to fix the missing camera on your iPhone. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like